Good morning. Hey, it's Carol Sterling, your go-to gal for all your real estate needs here in Kona. Hey, up here in Mauka Kealakekua this morning, we are at the Parrot Sanctuary. This is the view from up here. It's this beautiful, beautiful area. Great views all the way around. They've cleared this land so beautifully. And we're here to see parrots. You can hear them in the background. They've got a whole parrot sanctuary here with lots of beautiful birds. And we are going to take a tour here in a little bit, and I'll provide some more footage so you can see what all is here and hear about the story of the place. But this is a great start. There's a nice parrot there. And this is a parrot sanctuary. You can hear all these guys. Oh, you're beautiful. This place is called Parrots in Paradise. And yes, this is paradise for them. Hi guys. A little bit of everybody here. And then we got these guys over here. So beautiful. And we got this nice pasture next door. And we've got a nice cow. Anyway, I'll shoot some more. But beautiful place here, Parrots in Paradise. And we're going to learn more. They do tours by appointment only.